How can you change your YouTube comment language? What we will do is we will open our YouTube here, and after opening our YouTube, we can simply go in our YouTube profile. And after going in our YouTube profile, we'll get and see an option of settings here. We can simply go in general, and we can scroll and see an option of location. We have to make sure that the location is turned on into United States, so that you get an English translation option. Then you have to go back to your settings, phone settings, and here you have to search for your language and other options. So you can simply click on language and reason here, and you have to make sure to add the language that you want to be like translated to. So here I want to choose the English language. I want English language. I want to see all my comments in English language. Then you can see that it is turned on. So here I will just simply search for any Spanish video, so I get another language comments here that we can like simply translate and see in other English language, which I turned my settings into English. And so here you can see I'm searching for a video here. I searched for this video. We'll go into its comment section. So as you can see, there's a comments in Spanish. I translated it in English. So yeah, that is how we can simply change your YouTube comments language. Like you can translate it easily by going through all of this tutorial that I gave you in this video.